If integral 1 by x plus x power 5 into dx is equals to f of x plus c, then integral x power 4 by x plus x power 5 into dx is equals to. Now we want the value of x power 4 by x plus x power 5 into dx. In the next step, I write this value is equals to x power 4 plus 1 minus 1 by x plus x power 5 into dx. Just adding the number 1 and minus 1 to the numerator. Now separating the denominator, integral x power 4 plus 1 by denominator value x into 1 plus x power 4. Taking x common here, minus 1 by x plus x power 5 into dx. Now here the first value is nothing but integral 1 by x. Integral 1 by x dx minus second value is equals to integral 1 by x plus x power 5 into dx. Now integral 1 by x dx is equal to log of mod x minus integral 1 by x plus x power 5 into dx is equal to f of x. So log of mod x minus f of x plus c. That's all. This is the answer. That is equals to second option. Second problem, integral square root of 1 minus x square plus square root of 1 plus x square by square root of 1 minus x power 4 into dx is equals to. So the given question is equal to square root of 1 minus x square plus square root of 1 plus x square by denominator value is equals to 1 minus x power 4 is equals to 1 minus x square into 1 plus x square. Denominator value is equals to root over 1 minus x power 4 is equals to root 1 minus x square into 1 plus x square. Now separating the denominator, then what we get, first value is equal to 1 by square root of 1 plus x square. And the second value is equals to integral 1 by square root of 1 minus x square into dx. And 1 by square root of 1 plus x square is equals to sin h inverse x. And 1 by square root of 1 minus x square is equals to sin inverse x plus c. That is the third option. Next problem, integral e power x log a into e power x into dx. Now the given question is equals to integral e power log a power x into e power x dx. This is equals to e power log a power x, which is equals to e power log, both are cancelled. So the question becomes a power x into e power x dx, and this is equals to integral ae whole power x dx, which is in the form of a power x, and a power x integration is equals to a power x log a. So the answer is equals to ae whole power x by log ae plus c. That is the third option. Next problem, integral 1 by 1 plus sin ax into dx. So the question is equals to integral 1 by 1 plus sin ax into dx. Now taking the rationalization, into 1 minus sin ax by 1 minus sin ax into dx. And this is equals to integral 1 minus sin ax by 1 plus sin ax into 1 minus sin ax is equals to 1 minus sin square ax. 1 minus sin square ax is equals to cos square ax into dx. Now separating the denominator, 1 by cos square is equals to secant square ax minus sin by cos is equals to tan ax, and 1 by cos is equal to secant ax. Separating the denominator values, 1 by cos square is equal to secant square, sin by cos is equal to tan, 1 by cos is equal to secant. Now secant square ax integration is equals to tan of ax by a minus secant ax into tan ax integration secant ax by a plus c. So answer is equals to 1 by a into tan ax minus secant ax. That is the first option.